Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 3.1 part 2 homework today for grade 6 math, and you got 27 points on your homework sheet. Have that up in front of you now, students. Part 2, classifying rational numbers. Name, date, period here on your paper, your tablet, your phone, your PC, your Droid, your iPhone, your Chromebook. Let's go to page 1 of today's homework, and you got 5 points here on page 1. Number 1 up here, Sarah and 4 friends are decorating picture frames with ribbon. They have 4 rows of ribbon to share evenly. Part A, how does this situation represent division? Put your answer here. Part B, how much ribbon does each person receive? Put that here. And then down here for 2, 3, and 4, write each rational number in the form of A over B, where A and B are integers. So you got, again, 5 points here on page 1. And page 2, we got a Venn diagram question up here. Place each number in the Venn diagram and then classify each number by indicating in which set or sets each number belongs. So for these two numbers. And then essential question check-in. How is a rational number that is not an integer different from a rational number that is an integer? How are they different? And you got 4 points here on page 2. And page 3, we got 14, 15, 16, and 17 here. We got some word problems that go from this table up here. Jason's utility bills. Write a fraction to represent the division in each situation. Then classify each result by indicating the set or sets in which it belongs. So you got 4 points here for page 3. And page 4, higher order reasoning here. You got 8 points back here on page 4. Critique or critical reasoning. DeMarcus says the number 24 over 6 belongs only to the set of rational numbers. Explain his error and explain how Venn diagrams in this lesson show that all integers and all whole numbers are rational numbers. Explain that. And full sentences, student. Explain means full sentences, and explain means full sentences. So 8 points here on page 4. And that is, we go to 20. And 20, critical thinking. Is it possible for a number to be a rational number that is not an integer but is a whole number? Explain that one. Explain using a full sentence. And a blank diagram can represent set relationships visually. And you got 2 points here on page 5. And page 6 here, additional example. You got a Venn diagram here. Place numbers in the Venn diagram. Use the Venn diagram to determine to which set or sets each number belongs. Here's your numbers here. Which set do they belong in? And you got 4 points here on page 6. And that is your homework for today. Animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.